Hey there, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that promise to change our skin and our routines. Today, we're talking something that's been a game changer for me. Clinique's Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Eye Cream with Hyaluronic Acid and Peptides. Now, I don't know about you, but eye creams have always been a bit of a mystery to me. They promise a lot, but do they really deliver? Well, let's see if this one lives up to the hype. First off, let's get into what this product actually does. Clinique's Smart Clinical Repair Eye Cream claims to visibly repair lines and wrinkles, hydrate instantly, and help minimize the appearance of those pesky fine lines, especially around the delicate eye area. With the powerful duo of hyaluronic acid and peptides, this product is designed to hydrate deeply and smooth out the skin, giving it a firmer, plumper look. It's unscented, which is a plus for anyone with sensitive skin, and it's formulated for all skin types. I've been using this eye cream for a few weeks now, so let me walk you through how it's been in real-life use. First, the texture is something I really appreciate. It's rich, but not greasy, which I find is a common issue with some eye creams. It absorbs quickly, leaving a smooth, refreshed feeling. I've been using it both in the morning and at night, and I've noticed that it works especially well under makeup. It doesn't pill, which is a huge bonus for me because nothing's worse than applying makeup and having it break up because of the products underneath. The immediate effect? Hydration. As soon as I apply it, my under eye area feels more nourished and the fine lines seem softer. I wouldn't say it magically erases wrinkles overnight. Let's be real, no product does that. But over time, I've definitely noticed a reduction in puffiness and a slight improvement in the look of fine lines. It's one of those products that works slowly but surely, which is exactly what you want from an eye cream. Now for the pros. The texture is one of the best things about this cream. It's smooth, non-greasy, and just feels luxurious to apply. The hydration factor is on point, and I've noticed less puffiness in the mornings, which is a win for me. As for the cons, I would say the price could be a bit steep for some. While I do think it's effective, not everyone might be willing to invest in a high-end eye cream like this, especially if you're just starting to get into anti-aging products. So, does it justify the price? For me, yes. The ingredients, hyaluronic acid and peptides, are excellent at addressing those fine lines, and I've been seeing long-term results. If you're someone who's looking for that extra step in your anti-aging routine, and you don't mind splurging a bit, this product is worth it. However, if you're on a budget or just need something to hydrate, there are definitely more affordable options that'll get the job done without breaking the bank. Now, if you're looking for similar products, but with a more budget-friendly approach, there are a few great alternatives out there. I'd recommend looking into some of the drugstore eye creams that also include hyaluronic acid, like Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream, which also provides a good hydration boost without the premium price tag. To wrap up, Clinique's Smart Clinical Repair Eye Cream definitely delivers on its promise of hydration and wrinkle reduction. If you're serious about skincare and want to target those fine lines and puffiness around your eyes, this is a solid choice. However, if you're not ready to invest quite yet, there are other options that provide similar benefits at a lower cost. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.